Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada West. I am your favorite repurposed fashion designer. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I love y'all, man. I love y'all. If you are new to this channel, this video, I do other projects like this. Some of them involve sewing, some of them don't. But if you like stuff like that, if you want to make your own clothes, do your own dance, okay, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and you will get notifications for when I post a new one. And if you're not here on YouTube like that, follow me on Instagram because it'll be there too. All right. I am super excited for this one because I'm super excited for every tutorial. But I am doing another no-sew because I need y'all to have this tool in your life. I just figured out the quickest way to distress your denim. All you need to do this tutorial is some denim and scissors. That's it. Tweezers are optional. You'll see why I opted out because I was not going to pick them up. I just wasn't gonna leave what I was doing. The inspiration for this tutorial actually came from this jacket that I saw that looked like the back was just shredded. Like sis just took the whole jacket, threw a shredder, and then was like, this is what I want my life to be now. So I put it up on Instagram and there's a lot of people that actually want to learn how to distress. The entire project took me altogether it took me 2 hours. So it really is like if you wanted to grab you a pair of pants right now and just work along with this video, yeah, it's so simple. You don't need any cheese graters, you don't need a nail file, whatever else y'all were using. All you need are some scissors, okay? Also, when you're doing this, just really take time to enjoy the process of destroying clothes. I was doing this and I was like, man, this is actually really like stress relieving. Like I want to go and find some more pants to just shred right now. Like just go in. So without further ado, go ahead and keep watching to see the tutorial. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next video.